Alright, so let's talk about solving for unknowns, and this time we're going to be talking about division equations. In our next episode, we're going to be talking about multiplication equations. And I think as going through this, y'all are going to realize that how addition and subtraction and multiplication and division are going to kind of relate to each other, and some of those rules might end up being close to the same. So, let's go through the parts of a division problem. That we have our dividend. Our dividend is usually the number that's going to be cut up into pieces. Our divisor is the one that's going to be doing the operating, the one that's going to be cutting the dividend into different parts. And our quotient is usually going to be our answer, or the number that we have in each group. And you remember that division can look different ways. This is just two of the ways that we're going to most commonly represent division. And in this one I had the remainder representing the leftovers. Just a quick division review. And you remember what a variable is. Letter or symbol that represents a number. So now let's go through and look at trying to do, this time, the variable on the left. Now, this time, let's do it exactly what it's asking us to do. We're trying to find Q. So we try to find Q. Let's do 99. Q equals 99 divided by 11. If we know our fact families, then we know that Q will equal 9. Because 11 times 9 is 99. So let's check it and let's see if this works. So 99 divided by 11, we can make 9 groups of 10, multiplication sign, and, sorry about that, and we can put 1 into each group, into 9 groups, which will give us, so that does equal 11, and Q equals 9 does work. Now let's try this the other way, just to double check. So far our rule, if the variable's on the left, we still have to divide. So let's go through and just check this other one real quick, just to see if it does work. This time we're going to do 99 times 11 equals B. So 99 Xbox 99. So 9, 8, 1089 will equal B, or Q. I think that's what we had up there. Now, if we try to take 99 and divide it by 1089, we won't get 11. So again, if the variable's on the left, then we have to divide. Now let's look at the variable on the right. M divided by 6 is 24. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to do the same thing we did to the last one. M equals 24 divided by 6. Knowing our fact family that M would equal 4. And if we try to substitute 4 for M, which would be 4 divided by 6, well, we won't be able to do that. That if we do that, we're going to end up with a decimal number. And that won't give us 24. So for this one, M, we can't divide if the variable is on the right. Now, let's try to multiply this time. that m equals 24 times 6. M equals 24, 6, 4, 2, 144. Now let's go through and let's divide that. 144 divided by 6. We can't make groups of 6 with 100, so we go to our hundreds and tens placed together, and we look at that we can make. So we can put 20 in 6 groups. 20 times 6 is 120. We subtract, that gives us 24. And now we can put 4 into each group. We can put 4 ones into those 6 groups, which would be 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. And that does give us 24. So, if the variable is on the right, then we do the inverse operation and multiply. Here are 2 practice problems for you to try, and that's the end of our lesson.